Hello everyone and welcome to Dragon Code. In this video I will analyze Fibonacci strategy on European roulette, and I will do that in Python programming language in Visual Studio Code. Let's move in VS Code. So first I need to generate Fibonacci array. I will declare two variables, first which will have value of 1 and second which will have value of 2. And then I will declare list Fibonacci and I will pass two elements 1 and 2, which will be first two elements in Fibonacci array. Although first two elements are 0 and 1, but you cannot bet with 0 euros. So first two elements are going to be 1 and 2. And then with for loop, I will add another elements in Fibonacci array for I in range of 100. So I will add 100 elements. I will declare variable third, which is equal to first plus second. And then I will append that third variable inside Fibonacci array. And then first will become second and second will become third. Let's print Fibonacci array to see does it work. Fibonacci. And now I will run this program. And as you can see, this is Fibonacci array. 34 plus 55 is 89. So it is correct. Also for Fibonacci strategy, I also need variables like games number and money. So I will go in martingale file and I will copy this, all this, and paste here. I will delete this line of code and terminal. But here, instead of bet, I need Fibonacci index. So I will call this variable fib index. This is because I will move through Fibonacci array. In Fibonacci strategy, if I won, I move 2 places backwards, and if I lose, I go to the next element in Fibonacci array. And initially, Fibonacci index is going to be 0. Then I will copy this for loop from martingale file and modify it here. I also need to import all modules from martingale file, so I will copy this and paste it here. Now I will modify this for loop. So here, instead of subtracting money with bet, I will subtract with element from Fibonacci array on index fib index. And I will also check if money minus that element is greater than 0. If it's not, then game is over. And if I win, I will add Fibonacci element 2 times to money. Then I need to check if Fibonacci index is greater than 1. If it is greater than 1, I will subtract Fibonacci index by 2. And if it's not, it will become 0 if it is 0 or 1. So here 0. And here if I lose, I will just go to the next element in Fibonacci array, so I need to increase fib index by 1. And now after all games, I need to print message, so I will again go to martingale file and copy this, paste it here, And now I will just change martingale with Fibonacci. Not enough money to continue Fibonacci strategy. And now I will run this code and I will choose first 2000 games, just like with martingale, and I forget to multiply this by 2. And now I will run this code. So I profit, and profit is 569. I will do it again. I profit again, again, and again. Now I will store list money in CSV file. So I will copy this code from martingale and paste it here. I will uncomment this, and now I will give name money Fibonacci and Fibonacci CSV. And now I will run this code. I profit again, and list money is stored in CSV file Fibonacci CSV. I open that CSV file with Excel, and now I will select those two columns and insert graph. I will stretch it. So this is flow of money in 2000 games with money of 10,000 euros with Fibonacci strategy. You can see those downfalls, and those downfalls are bigger with Fibonacci strategy than in martingale. And also profit is less because in martingale profit after 2000 games is about 900, but with Fibonacci is about 600. And now I will comment this code for creating CSV file, and I will try with 5000 games. I will delete this terminal and create new, and I will run this code. So profit is 1435. But let's see, will I profit again? I again profit, again, game over, not enough money to continue Fibonacci strategy. Again, profit, profit, lose, lose, lose. It is 3 times in a row. I didn't try this with martingale strategy, but now I will try with Fibonacci strategy. I will choose very big number of games. For example, 100,000. And let's see, will I ever win? And now I will run this code. Game over. I lose. And I will try again, again, again I lose, again, still no win. So if you play really big number of games, you cannot win money with Fibonacci strategy. But let's also try this with martingale. So I will go in martingale and I will set 100,000 games number, and I will run this code. I lose again, 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 Still no win, and still no win. Every time I play, I lose. So it is same with martingale strategy. So conclusion is that both martingale and Fibonacci strategy are not safe for big number of games. This is all for this video. If you like this video and want more videos like this, press like button and subscribe, and see you next time.